Every time we change the bobbin, we make sure that we brush the area very well to get rid of all of the lint. We pay extra attention to the back left corner because that seems to be where most of the lint accumulates. Once it's nice and clean, we'll take our oil and we'll put 1 drop there on the ledge between the black and the silver. If you have an older bobbin case, it will be all silver. Then we put the thread through the pelican beak here, and I hold it with my thumb so it doesn't pop out, and I place the bobbin into the hook area with the nub there lining up with the slot. When I push, it will make a clicking noise. If you have the older bobbin, the nub will be at 4 o'clock instead of 3 o'clock, as this one is here.